What gives me job satisfaction? Something as simple as seeing a customer's truck on the road and thinking, yes, I made that happen.
We painted that.
I sold that.
I maintain that. There's so much variety in the job, from scheduled maintenance to unforeseen repairs.
You're working with so many different industries and solutions.
No one day is ever the same.
1 minute you could be working on a Classic 2 series, the next minute you could be putting the final finishing touches to a new vehicle.
It keeps you on your toes, that's for sure, working with a brand that's industry leading. You're always ahead of the game, getting your hands on the latest technology and equipment.
But it's not just about working on commercial vehicles. We support local businesses and local people. Knowing that you're doing everything you can to make your customer's life easier is really rewarding.
As a Scania dealer, we are selling and maintaining a fantastic product, and we have the services and backup in place to reflect that. We never forget it's our people that make us TruckEast, their expertise, their commitment.
At TruckEast, your development never has to stop. I joined the business as an apprentice back in 2000. They have supported and enabled me to grow into the role I have today, depot manager of my own branch.
When you first started as an apprentice in the business, you're with your mentor in the branch every day. You're shadowing and listening to them. Over time, your confidence grows. With that, so does your responsibilities.
It's a bit like a family, TruckEast, a really big one that believes in you and pushes you to be the best you can be.
You're in a fast-paced environment.
With a great team of people.
And there's always the banter.
But at the same time, your voice is heard.
You're part of something bigger.
Part of the future.
And together,
We keep business moving.